Hello viewers, it's Prince, and in today's video I've compiled a list of my trending web design / development of the month. Speaking of the month, I mean July. Anyways, it's gonna be fun, so stay tuned to the end of this video. Hey, if you're new here, subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a video from me. And if you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up. Okay, so fifth on the list is the music website, or are still not decided. This idea was actually brought up by a friend. Shout out to William Anaman Amos. His idea is to build a platform which brings all sorts of entertainment together, being it music, videos, movies, vines, like pretty much everything which makes you feel happy in life. But so far we've only designed the interface for the music, which is kind of pretty cool, so why not show off? Anyways, the final project is gonna look like YouTube, except you can make money from this one, and also when compared, it's gonna have more features. Ranking fourth on the list is the business website, which is actually my favorite. You might be thinking why? Well, this is the story. So I was browsing through my safe pins on Pinterest and I came across a particular design. I challenged myself how best I can design the pin with my programming knowledge. Forever and ever, eternity later. This is the results. It's kind of 90% clone. I don't even know. You guys let me know in the comment section below how best I did. 0 being bad and 10 being good. Next on the list is the login form. Honestly, I have no background data for this. Sorry, but I was kind of bored when I designed this. Anyways, the source code is going to be available, so if you want it, just comment #login form and I will send everything to you. Appearing second on any list is not that easy. Obviously, not just any list. Well, over here is a modern website header template designed with Adobe XD and later coded with HTML, CSS and a little bit of JavaScript. It has awesome features such as toggling between different colors, as you all can see. It is trendy in 2019, so why not design my own? So far, it is the most viewed video on my channel. I made a full tutorial on how to make this, so you can check it out. Link will be down in the description. Next and first on my list is the one-page personal portfolio website, which I designed with Adobe XD. It is on top of my list because it has all it takes. Well, before you think of anything else, let me explain. If you've been in the web design industry for years, you've probably noticed regular shapes are no more used. Instead, wavy shapes like this, and that are trending. Another reason is the color hierarchy. Color hierarchy is a major feature to be considered when designing a website. If you are a designer and you don't consider color hierarchy, your visitors will probably have to use binoculars before they can view your content, mostly when it contains a lot of text. I'm kidding. Anyways, that's the end of today's video. You guys let me know in the comment section below which you think should have been on top of the list. If you've not subscribed already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Make sure to give a thumbs up if you like this video. As always, bye!